welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky. So in this video I'm going to create this everyday simple yet very glamorous kind of fall makeup look. So yeah, I hope you guys will like it. So you can wear this look with or without lashes. So sometimes I wear lashes and sometimes I don't, but I literally love wearing lashes. So yeah, this is the look I came up with, and like this is the look I wear for every day nowadays. So I thought of sharing it with you all. So I'm using some of the new products today. So yeah, if you guys want to see me creating this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's begin. As always, I did moisturize my face like I did in the morning. So I'm going to do my brows first, and I'm going to use this pomade by Makeup Revolution in the shade dark brown. So I'm going to apply this MCO Beauty Concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to do my face. Like, I love doing my face before the eye makeup. So this is our XX Studio brightening face primer. So I'm going to just apply this. Like, I don't know, I have never used this product, so today I'm going to use this primer, and this is like this is a Kmart product. Looks a bit white, my god. Like, okay, just this. So I'm going to apply this Rose Fizz makeup fixing spray to all over my face. Just like this. Like, I always like to apply a spray on top of my primer. Like, if you have oily to combination skin, you have acne problems, then you should definitely do this way. It helps me, so it will definitely help you too. So yeah, let it dry. Then I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty number 300 foundation. After applying the foundation, I'm going to again apply this Rose Fizz setting spray. Because whenever I apply this foundation, like Fenty Beauty foundation, it's literally dry. So when I spray the setting spray on top, like it hydrates and like it's literally very flawless. So yeah, I'm going to wear this hoop earring. I always like to wear my jewelries before doing makeup, but today I forgot. Okay, I like it. I just wanted to get ready with you guys today, just because I'm going out. So in the afternoon, maybe, let's see. Kids are always ready to go out, so it's only me. It's always up to me. If I say yeah, then we all go. Like, my kids and my hubby, they are always ready to go out. So yeah, I really like this hoop earring. So now I'm going to apply some concealer. So I'm going to use this same MCO Beauty concealer. So I'm going to use this Ofra Cosmetic banana powder. And now I'm going to just bronze my face with this matte bronzer by MCO Beauty. Okay, this is it. Now I'm going to apply this blush. This is also by Ofra Cosmetic, and this one is in shade Rose. So doesn't matter which season it is, like I love these types of colors. So as you can see in my background, I'm going to use highlighter now. So this is by Ofra Cosmetic Feeling Myself highlighter. I haven't used this highlighter in a while now, so like literally I just saw this yesterday, so I thought, okay, I'm going to use this today. And like it comes with 3 shades. It's like this. So I'm going to use this one, rosy kind of color. So the highlighter I have applied is in the shade Blissful. So I'm going to just set everything up with this Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Matte Finish setting spray. And on top I'm going to just spray a little bit of this Rose Fish setting spray. This is one of my favorite, like literally it's so good. Too much setting spray. This way it will make my makeup look flawless, and also it will last longer, like all this and that. Do follow my makeup tutorial the way I do it. You will love it. Definitely you're gonna be loving it after, like it will look so flawless. For the eyes today I'm going to use this palette. Like if you guys are following me, I just showed you guys in my whole video, like this is by Makeup Revolution. So this is how the palette looks, and also this is the back part. And like literally the palette comes with so many good beautiful shades. I'm going to apply this prime on the crease area. So I'm going to take number 8 brush by BH Cosmetic. I'm going to just apply this on the crease area. I'm going to use this, I don't know how to pronounce on NYX, I don't know, but like this is how this shade looks. So this one, this is a bit dark, so I'm going to apply it to the outer part. So I'm going to use this Zoeva Lexi pencil brush. This is a pointed pencil brush. So okay, this is literally so pigmented. So I have to blend. So I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to just blend. Okay, to be honest, these eyeshadows are like literally very pigmented, and like it's really easy to blend too. So like this is a very good worth buying palette. So I'm going to use this shade now, Choice. This is literally one of my favorite kind of color. So I'm going to apply with this brush. Like this is a BH Cosmetic number 104 brush. So I'm just applying this color on all over the lid area. I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is by Zoeva. This is actually Relaxy crease brush. I'm going to just blend this part. I'm going to just apply this Kajal pencil liner by Maybelline, and like I'm trying this for the first time today. And this one is in color black, like literally. This is really pretty. Okay, just like this. And now I'm going to just blend with a pencil brush. Okay, now I'm going to apply this mascara. This is W7 Wooz mascara. Wooz. 1 times more volume. Let's see. I never tried this mascara like this. So I'm going to use this Saint Luxie lip liner. You guys saw me. I got this in my Bella box, so I'm going to just try this. This is how the product looks, and the color is like this. Okay, it's kind of nude. Okay. It's kind of nude, but not this color. Like, it's a bit lighter. I thought it's maroon, but it's not. I don't like that much. Okay, I'm going to apply this dark brown. 1. I'm going to apply this Nude by Nature Satin liquid lipstick, and this one is in shade Orchid. I already did a swatch and review video, and it's on my channel. Do watch. Like, this is how it looks without lashes, and like I literally don't like that much because I like wearing lashes, but like it literally very natural looking makeup look. And like, if you don't want to wear falsies, then you can go out like this. You can wear this. Like, I always wear these types, and I don't always apply lashes, but sometimes I do apply lashes. So today I'm going to apply lashes. So I'm going to apply my favorite. Like, this is my favorite, you guys know. This is by Morphe Hollywood Hills lashes. Like, it's really pretty, and this is one of my favorite lashes. And like, if you guys don't want to wear lashes, like I don't wear lashes all the time, but sometimes I do wear lashes, but like this is the look I go for. Like, I literally love this look, and if I'm wearing eyeshadows, I'm going to just create this look. Like, this look looks really pretty with or without lashes. So if you guys want to see more of these kinds of tutorial videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, follow me around social media. Links are below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy.